Can we see the beefish? Sure, you can see beefish. Zzz. Yes, so for those of you who don't know, perhaps Juror 1 does not know this story. Yes, this is the beefish. It is a motto of the channel because it comes out of California. This is one of those wonderful legal things that shows you the law is not always what you think it will be. Juror 1 will like this story. All right, so California thought that bees are endangered. All right, they're concerned about colony collapse and stuff like that, okay? And they wanted to protect bees. Now, they have their own version of the Endangered Species Act on the state level, which is perfectly fine. They can do that. All right, so they have their own version of the Endangered Species Act. The state version of the Endangered Species Act does not protect bees, okay? Now, the legislature could amend the act, but for some reason they don't want to do that. All right, they don't want to get the legislature to amend the act. So they look for another solution, and they see that fish are protected by the state's Endangered Species Act. Okay? Fish are protected. So then they sue, and they get the courts, including the Court of Appeals, to say that bees are legally a kind of fish. All right? Bees are legally a kind of fish for the purposes of California's state-level Endangered Species Act. Hence, the beefish. It is a bee and a fish because California says it's so. I go buzz, buzz, buzz in the ocean, buzz, 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 swimming around, buzz, 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 I'm Cali the Beefish, Cali the Beefish. Yeah, no, so yeah, that happened. That happened. So that is the story behind the beefish and the beefish meme. Bees are fish. Great. Moving on.